everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to reveal a new cover, and while we're at it, I am going to switch my stuff into the new cover just because I just got it today and I just wanted to film this right away. Now, I will be probably doing a first impression video of the planner itself cover, and we'll kind of go from there. So I got my one of the 3 custom covers that I ordered a few months ago. So here she is. This is a custom cover from Naya Paperie, and it is in the color Marshmallow. Look at how pretty this is. It feels so nice. So far, I think I would probably compare it pretty well to the Eternal Leather Goods, which is my current cover right now. So just to see how tall, this one is a little taller than the Eternal Leather Goods. Not sure if you guys can see that. And then as far as the actual touch of the leather, they're pretty sturdy, which I like. I like sturdy leathers. I'm not into the soft and squishy that much, but it's still pretty pliable, and I hope that this lays flat over time. Right now it's not laying flat at all. I did do a flyleaf, and I'm surprised that this flyleaf came with a pocket. That's pretty nice. And then the pen loop is in kind of behind it. I'm not sure how that's going to work, so we'll kind of figure out as we go along here. And then it has 30mm silver Krause rings. As far as the layout itself, it is the exact photocopy of my Eternal Leather Goods cover right now. So just to compare them, this is the Naya Paperie, and then this is the Eternal Leather Goods. Same kind of like the Nomad layout from BDS, and then a slip pocket right here to put my brain dump notebook. And then it's the pen loops. The pen loop on this one, obviously it's at the back that I show, and then this one is on the side. So we'll see how that works out when I move all the things. This is not my first choice as far as the color leather. I really wanted the rosé, but they do not have it on stock right now or during the time when I ordered. And Nazreen, she suggested to get this cover instead. So it's pretty nice. I mean, I like the color. It kind of reminds me of a velvet sand, but not velvety. It's more of like a smooth leather, and there are like some markings right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see initially that came with the planner. It doesn't really bother me. I'm not really sure where that came from, but I don't know. And I'm kind of like scratching like my nail on here, and it doesn't really fade. So I can see that it can easily scratch and kind of fold, but that's fine because it just shows like gives the planner some personality and some character. So yeah, let's just move everything along. So I'm gonna do like a fast forward bit. This can probably like take a little bit when I move all the things, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay, so I have some thoughts as far as when I moved everything. So first off, this fly leaf, it's not FCC size, it is personal size. I am not really sure if that was intentional. I am guessing not. And the fact that this pen loop is like, I don't know about this. So I will be contacting them as far as maybe to change this, because my fly leaf should be the exact same size. And also, yeah, the pen, like, why would you even have a pen loop like right behind here? I don't know. And then the pockets, let me just take this off because it's gonna keep bothering me. Okay, and then I'll move these back. My planner is stuffed, as you guys can see. Okay, so the pockets, these 2-card pockets for my Eternal Leather Goods, I had 3. And they're facing this way. For the Naya, it faces that way. Not really a big deal. And then these pockets are slightly smaller. Like my COVID cards fit perfectly on here with a little more space. In this one, it doesn't. So it's probably partly like my fault because I didn't measure this out, but I thought that it was going to be like thicker, wider, I guess. But it fits well when I close it. I like how it's, you know, on the taller side. It doesn't look square, which is good. And then my pen right here fits perfectly, but I'm short on 1 pen loop, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I mean, for the amount that I paid for, and as far as the processing time, it was a little delayed, but not as bad as, let's say, if I got something from VDS, which those are the other 2 customs that I'm waiting on. I just hadn't got an email yesterday that they're in production, so I will be getting those next month, I am hoping. And yeah, but so far, yeah, this is pretty interesting. I like the color for sure, but as far as like the planner itself, holding it together, and other things, this whole like not laying flat is gonna bother me for a while. I'll probably have to like train the planner to kind of lay flat for a bit and then kind of go from there. So if you've gotten a Naya Paperie planner before, does yours lay flat? If so, how did you guys do it? So I'm trying to like do it here, and then you can see there's like creases already kind of forming right here. And on the Eternal Leather Goods, there's no like crease, like there's a little bit, I guess, but not as much. And this is my first time obviously opening this planner, but maybe this is just how the leather is. I'm not really familiar with this leather. So if you've gotten Marshmallow, is it like this? And yeah, so I'm just gonna have to like train her to lay flat for the day and kind of go from there. But yeah, I mean, it's a nice color. I really like it. Definitely reminds me of a velvet sand that's not a velvet sand. So we'll see how it goes. Definitely add the customizations in the description box. I wasn't very specific with what I wanted as far as measurements. It's probably why the pockets are like this. But honestly, it's not really a big deal because I don't really use this that much. I just use it to like put deco on. But here, like, I think it'll work out fine. But I'm a little disappointed about the fly leaf. But I don't know why this is on here. It can't be this way because the point of this pocket is obviously to be a pocket if I flipped it this way. And even so, the pen loop is still going to be kind of like on the inside. So I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, like I said, put them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.